Hey kids, so this is the wave pendulum experiment that you're going to be working with in class, and there's 15 pendulums that all hang from this one rod, and each pendulum consists of some fishing line with 2 attachment points and then a bob that's a golf ball, and they're all different colors so that you can identify which one is which easier, and you'll need to use that in the lab when you're watching specific pendulums. But the main idea of this experiment is to show you how the length of the strings of the different pendulums affect their oscillations, which means the way they go back and forth and how long that takes, their period. So, to use the wave pendulum, the first thing you need to do is make sure that all of these bobs are lined up in their respective spots on this template. When that's ready, you can slide this template out to the side and set it aside, because you don't need that right now. Then, you're going to get the release mechanism, which is this piece of gold foam, and you're going to line it up with the back of the project on top of these stoppers. When the timekeeper is ready, you'll go ahead and tilt the pendulum back until all of the golf balls are resting on the foam evenly. And when the timekeeper says go and your whole group is ready, you can set the pendulum back down and put the foam aside so that the pendulums can move freely, and then you can start counting. So for the second lab activity that you all will be doing, you'll need to adjust the length of the strings of each of the pendulums to make sure that you can get the desired effect with the experiment. So we need to teach you how to adjust the lengths of the strings. So to do so, go to the top rod of the pendulum, and there's 2 attachment points for each bob. There's this metal piece, and that's the side you do not want to touch. And then there's the side with the rubber stopper. The rubber stopper allows you to move the rubber stopper so that you can make the pendulum either longer or shorter. So if you hold the rubber stopper and you pull down on the string, the pendulum will get much longer. And then if you hold it and pull up, it'll get much shorter. And that will allow you to adjust the pendulum for your second experiment.